Okay, like I said, I went ahead and welded those bad boys up. That turned out really nice. I only turned one of them around because I wanted you to be able to see what we did there. Burned that weld in real good. And this is the result. We've got 5 of these SAE 3/8 washers, and then a 6th smaller, like I told you in that last clip, right up against the bearing itself. So we've got 6 on each side. 5 we're evenly split right now, and as you can see, we're just about touching without doing any removal yet. So right where we were at before, just mocking up, and as you can see, we're well clear of that kingpin head there. I put a couple flats, just a couple little flats, so I can get an 18 millimeter wrench on it. That way you could, if you want to hold on to it to tighten this thing down, but it's really tight. I had to literally tap that last big SAE washer up in there a little tighter than I'd like. So I'll probably just run it back and forth, one of them back and forth on a file, and just take a little bit of it out, just so it goes together a little easier. The bearings and the spindles need to be changed anyway, but you can feel it because those washers are packed in there. You can feel the ball bearings, but like a little ratchet to it, you know. So we're getting there. We'll get the other one on. We got some scrap threaded rod or something laying around here. We'll measure from here to the other one on this side, and we'll bend and put a rod on there just to keep things straight and square. Then we'll throw the axle back up on there and all that. Then we can get some air in these tires, and lay something flat across the bottom of the tires, and measure from that simulated ground surface to this surface, just to give us an idea, to get close, and it'll give us an idea of ground clearance instead of trying to put this thing right in the ground. We can rough it in, obviously, from here. If the chassis needs to go down, we can only go so far. We can only go a little bit more. So I think we're going to be okay. We'll check it out. We'll find out. But that's it for now. Toes are cold. Going to head in the house, warm up the toes, get me a fresh coffee, and we'll come out and play some more. It's Saturday. We're trying to get her going. Hang in there, folks. We're praying for you.